This is a Cuisinart digital air fryer toaster oven. As you can see here, I haven't taken off the plastic, but you are able to toast pizza. You can warm up your bagels, you can roast, bake, dehydrate, broil, and you can proof your food. It is also an air fry, and these are like the options. You can easily be able to pick it. It's like pre-made for you, so you don't even have to worry about the settings. But you could use this to turn to the different function for the knobs. And then you could use this for the temperature. This is for the light. All you would have to do is plug it in, put in your food, set it to whatever you need, and you press start and stop. This tiny only has about 2 layers of it. As you can see here, I already put my pan. In here I put foil. I highly recommend it. And yeah, I just think this is a lot better than the usual air fryer because it's not made out of plastic, so you don't have to worry about plastic melting at all. But yeah.